Good morning, guys. I am at the Flyaway bus stop right now. I'm about to say bye to my mom. Yeah, so she's dropping me off. I'm going to Maui today with Dote and the outfit. Got my bag here. This is like my first time flying by myself, so hopefully it all works out. But there's like a bunch of people looking at me right now vlogging, but you know what? It's okay, we're doing it for the vlog. I didn't put on any makeup, just lip balm because I plan on knocking out on the plane. I only slept for an hour, so this 6-hour flight is a very much needed nap.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're boarding. It's so weird traveling by myself and vlogging by myself. I didn't realize how hard it is to vlog by yourself when you're by yourself. I got window seat, thank God. I don't like aisle seats, but we're about to find out who's our seatmate because I'm traveling solo, so hopefully it's someone nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to the Kahului International Airport. Local time is 11:33 a.m. We extend to you our warmest aloha and mahalo.
Hey guys, so welcome to Maui. I'm with Lauren. We're just waiting for another girl before we head to the AIRBNB. So I'm very excited for this weekend. I'll be spending some time with Dote, and it'll be like meeting new girls, new friends. So we'll see how this weekend goes. So I'm in an Uber with
Rachel.
What are your guys' YouTube and Instagram? Plug it.
At Michelle Reed. Mine's just Rachel Cantu.
We're the first girls here. We're on our way to the Dote AIRBNB. We're excited.
Welcome to Maui. Hi, I'm Caitlin. Hi, Rachel. Hi. I feel like I know you. Hi, Michelle.
Hello. Hi. Hello, Farina.
Oh yeah, this is Andre. He's shooting our photo shoot.
Hello guys, welcome to MTV Cribs Dote Edition. Come in. This is our place for the weekend. Let's start off here, which is the master's bedroom, aka my room. A little dark, made that for the lighting. This is our bed. Beautiful bohemian bed with some detailing right here. I love the shelves. I'm a mermaid, so it's completely fitting. A tub. We're gonna be taking some pictures here as well with our bikinis. Shower, the golden throne. This is where you can put your clothes and stuff. There's also a baby crib. No one's pregnant, but you know, they provided that. Thank you so much. TV, mirror, this little couch right here. Then this is like our little entryway detail. We have Michelle's bedroom. Hello. You know, Michelle. Nice to meet you all. This is her bedroom. There's two beds here. There's a really cute mirror. TV. This is the living room. Again, we have another chandelier looking detail here. All of these are going to be our outfits tomorrow for the photo shoot. So thank you so much, Dote, for providing all of these. There's also goodie bags. I'm excited to see what's in there. This is my favorite part because this is where all the food and snacks are. This is like a little secret way. This is a bathroom. You can come on in, and then another bedroom, which has again another bohemian feel to it. Your room, yeah, she has her little pillow pet. Very soft. That jacuzzi, I don't know. We'll see. Look at that banana. Fresh banana outside. That concludes this MTV Cribs. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. And we'll see you guys later. Bye. We got some acai bowls. I got the desert sunrise. This is good. So we have more people in the house now. Who that?
I'm Marina.
Sounds like Farina.
Oh yeah,
But,
Marina and Farina. Hi, I'm Leah.
Yay! She's gonna be my roommate for tonight. For the weekend.
It's gonna be a good old time.
It's gonna be a good old time. Wait, what's your last name?
Hokulani. Or that's my middle name.
Hukulani?
Hokulani.
Hokulani.
Hokulani. I'm turning you into an island
I
girl.
know, I'm about to be a Hawaiian.
Did my butt look good right there?
It did! Well, that was crazy.
What?
And my butt looked good.
I'm so surprised.
Is it good?
Yes,
Yeah,
working.
it's cute.
Alright, everyone. Oh, can you click it?
Hi guys.
Like one of us has to press it.
I look so white. I like it.
What? You know how you look like a freaking golden goddess? I look like literally.
Wait, what's your ethnicity?
I'm half Filipino, half white.
Ah! What a Filipino girl in the room.
I know. Here's 10, so you're fine.
I click it. So we're the first ones ready, so we're gonna take some OOTD pictures.
You know we gotta have the photo shoot.
Yes! Hello! What's up, everyone? We're walking to dinner right now. Half of us isn't here yet because they're still getting ready, but we're the first ones here. Oh, actually, it looks so nice here. Wow. Okay, the view here is amazing. Wow. This is as far as we're gonna go because I'm like, oh, I'm not going in here. Vlog section. We're waiting for our table to be set up. But wow. Say hi, guys. Hey, guys. Hello. How's the bride girl? Amazing. Dude, the lighting is amazing here. It's just hitting your globe right now. So we're walking back from dinner. There's everyone. Some of them took off their heels already, but I'm still like, I still have my heels on. So I'm like the mom of this group, of this whole weekend, because I'm the oldest one out of all of them. They're like in their 14s. 15s, 16s, and I'm like here, 22. We just got home from dinner and we've got the good to go to open our goodie bags, so that's what we're gonna do. I gotta know.
Does everyone get the same thing? And like toiletries too. We all got flamingo socks?
Yeah! Oh my god.
Oh wow, we're all gonna be twinning. That's great.
Okay, we're all wearing that tonight. Bath bomb.
I'm gonna eat that.
We have that good bath.
I know.
I was actually like, I kind of want to take a bath in here, but I don't have the supplies. But
Oh, we got acai this time.
I might have to.
Last but not least, we have this, which is making all day.
We got these little Dote tumblers.
A house full of YouTubers. A house full of YouTubers. House full of YouTubers.